Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter planning, that is type of plan. Planning is a process and plan its outcome. So plan is a sort of commitment of to accumulate all activity needed for attainment of special result. From this point of view, there are many plans. So they can divide it into two category. First, standing or repeatedly used plan, or second, single use or special plan. The first, what is standing and repeatedly used plan? As their name indicate that these plans are formulated once and they are repeatedly used. These plans continuously guide the manager. That is why it is a standing plan in the standing guide to recurring problems. These plans include the objective, strategy, policy and procedure. Whereas single use plan connected with the some special problem. These plan and the moment at the problem are solved. After being used once, there is no importance of these plan. In future, whenever they are needed, they are recreated. The plan included budget, program, etc. We can say that standing plan refer to a plan that is ongoing and provide guidance for the repeatedly performed action in an organization, whereas single use plan is that used to meet the need of a particular and unique situation. The difference between the single use and the standing plan is that the on the basis of meaning, single use plan it refer to such plan is made for fulfill the need of special or etc or extraordinary situation, and standing plan refer to such plan goes on its uninterrupted succession and guidance repeatedly occurring activities in an organization. Objectives: single use plan, these plans are made to manage the certain special activities successfully, and standing plan, these plans are made to effect simultaneously in the decision. Scope: generally the scope of these plan is narrow because of their goal is connected with some special project and event. And standing plan, generally the scope of this plan is wider because of they are concerned with more than the one dependent or business activities. Next, stability: as soon as the goal is achieved, these plans become useless, hence they are unstable. And standing with these plans are completely stable and put use of time again and by making the decision changer. The example of single-use plan is the meeting of a annual general meeting of a company, and standing plan the process of recruitment and selection for a special job in a company. Next, neither standing or nor single-use plan. The objective of those endpoints were entertainment of all the activities are undertaken. Following are the example of objective to improve the communication system, to hold regular staff meeting and publish newsletters, to cross the 20,000 crore marks in the turnover of soap, to make the available of employment in 100 people every year, to reduce the quality of reject to 3%. And strategy is a comprehensive plan which is considered business environment for economizing the objective of organization. It includes the following three dimensions: determining a long-term objective, adopting a particular course of action to achieve objective, allocating the resources necessary to achieve the objective. And the major strategic decision will include in following: whether the organization will continue to be in the same line of business, combine new line of activity with the existing business, seek to acquire a top position in the same line of business. Thank you.